What is up, investors? Jason here. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how the Super Bowl was very cryptocurrency based and how we're not really seeing much of a change in the crypto market after we had seen so much money being pumped into the Super Bowl to promote cryptocurrency. So we're going to mostly focus on the current crypto market, as well as talk a little bit about these cryptocurrency exchanges that had spent a lot of money on advertising during the Super Bowl. So as we get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button to help me out with the YouTube algorithm and spread this video to more people that might find it interesting. Now let's get to it. Now, in the overall stock market, there's a pretty good amount of red. We have some green, we have some red. The total stock market itself and the S&P are not down too extreme at this time, but they're down less than 1%. So nothing too crazy going on, but we do have a good amount of stocks in the red at this particular time. Now, what we're going to be looking at is looking at Coinbase stock right now, which we have Coinbase stock just down a little bit, but this is after they had pumped a lot of money over into Super Bowl ads and had spent a good amount of money. Now, looking at where Coinbase stock was when we had Bitcoin up around its all-time high back in November, at that time we had Coinbase stock upwards around $370 at its high. Now, looking at its total high over the last 52 weeks, or less than 52 weeks, I should say, because Coinbase went public back in April 2021. And at that time, we had seen Coinbase stock go upwards around $430 at its high. But there was a lot of pullback, as you guys know, that had happened with Coinbase after they had their public launch. And now we currently have the stock price under $200. So it's down a lot from where it was at back in November. Now, they do have a earnings report coming up here soon. So we have that to look forward to. That's going to be coming out here expected on February 24th. So look forward to that. Now, for a Super Bowl ad this year, it was really expensive, but the price was up $1 million from where it was the previous year for a 30-second time slot. Companies have spent between $6.5 million and $7 million for a 30-second ad. That is an insane amount of money. And we had seen ads that had featured Larry David for an FTX ad. We had seen LeBron James for a Crypto.com ad. We saw ads for eToro. We saw ads for Coinbase. And the crazy thing here is that Coinbase spent $14 million for a 60-second ad that just had a QR code that bounced around. And that had generated so much traffic to their website that it actually crashed their server for a little bit. Now, this just goes to show that crypto really did dominate the ad space on the Super Bowl. And for a lot of people that were watching the Super Bowl just for the ads, there wasn't that many things that, were different from one to the other. We usually always saw, these really funny ads a lot of the times, but this time some of the ads were funny and then some of the ads were just really pumping cryptocurrencies or electric vehicles, which I noticed there was a good amount of electric vehicle ads as well. But technology really did drive a lot of what was going on during the Super Bowl. Now, as the Super Bowl did make cryptocurrency seem very bullish, the overall crypto fear and greed index still has cryptocurrencies sitting in fear. So do keep that in mind, as I'm sure there's a lot of people looking into cryptocurrencies at this moment. We're still sitting in fear, and for the reason is that the overall crypto market itself does have a good amount of red and green mix right now in the overall market. Now, with all the money pumped into cryptocurrency advertising, the price of Bitcoin still is sitting around $42,000, which is a really good price that it is sitting at. But the key thing here is if Bitcoin is not able to hold this price of $42,000, there's a really high possibility that we could see the price drop down to a new support of $38,000 to $33,000 to $30,000. Anything is possible at that point, because the price of $42,000 is a very crucial price for Bitcoin to continue a rally to take it on a new all-time high, which we've seen in the past. Once it does break through that $42,000 price, that is when it has a good chance of continuing a rally and then going to a new all-time high. So hopefully we do stay above this $42,000 price. Bitcoin can continue a rally, find a new all-time high, and that would be the key thing here. But also keep in mind that if it isn't able to do this, there's a high possibility that Bitcoin can fall through, which we've seen every time that it does fall below $42,000, too much, that it really breaks through other supports that it had in the past, and then it has to really work its way back up. So that's not what we wanted to see happen right now. We want to see Bitcoin continue to be able to hold 42 and then go up from there. Very crucial that that does happen. But anyways, I just really wanted to make this video talking a bit about the Super Bowl ads, how much money was pumped into Super Bowl ads for cryptocurrencies, and then what the overall cryptocurrency market is doing at this moment. Like I said, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index still has us sitting in fear, and the overall crypto market really hasn't budged much. Bitcoin currently is down more money right now than it was back the day before the Super Bowl. So keep that in mind. But anyways, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts and opinions about the Super Bowl ads for cryptocurrencies. What do you guys think about that? Is there anybody that was excited to see those ads? What do you guys think that we are going to be seeing happen here this week with cryptocurrencies? I'd like to know. With that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out all the time. And also, be sure to listen to me on Spotify if you guys do like the audio formats. I am also now there. So I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.